everyone, welcome back to my channel. And since it is our, oh my god, look at my eyeglasses. So guys, since it's September and September is our anniversary month, so we are sharing, guys, what we got for each other. So we wait until this day when we got, well, actually my gift for him. So I have his gift here and we're gonna open it for the first time, guys. So he got, okay, that's my gift for him. So he got me my gift already on our anniversary, but I said I'm gonna wait and I want to share it to you guys. So this is our video, like, you know, a gift sharing. So who's gonna go first?
You go ahead.
Okay, I'll go ahead, guys. So this is his gift for me, a bag. Okay, I don't know, like when he give it to me, guys, like I wanna try to sneak, but I said no, I'm gonna wait until, you know, the day I will open the video. And I'm sorry, my face is a mess, guys. I just get back from work and I'm so excited to grab my box for him. So I took too much, guys. Let's see what you got for me. You're gonna say something?
I don't know. I'm just
What do you got for me? I hope Oh, I get the Naked Urban Decay. Naked Cherry. Oh my. Wow. Oh wow, they tape it. How will I open it? Okay, let me open it, guys, so I can share it to you. And you know what? A little trivia, guys. The first makeup that my husband bought me is also from Urban Decay. Urban Decay, yes. The
Naked one.
The Naked one.
Two.
No, you don't give me the Naked 2. Remember, it doesn't arrive.
Whatever, we still bought it.
Yeah, you bought it, but it didn't arrive. Yeah, they scam you. I'm just kidding. How will I open it? Okay. Ooh. So, yeah. This is the second time that you bought me a makeup. Is it or no? Yeah,
I
think so.
Oh no, there was another time I went to go buy you another one of the Nakeds. I don't remember which one it was, but I think they were sold out.
I think the Naked 3 you're thinking.
Maybe.
How will I open this? Ah, okay. You like my...
Oh my god, you're not lying.
Yeah, don't.
Oh, you gotta kind of pull it from the edges.
Oh, okay. Sorry, it's been so long. I still have the naked one that he gave me, or the Naked one. When was that? Did you buy me that 2011 or 12? I'm not sure.
Probably 11.
Yeah, but I'm still have it, guys, and I'm not using it, but I will keep it. You know, that's his first makeup that he bought me. Actually, I asked for it. Ooh, wow. Wow, their brushes improved now. Remember before, guys, when their brushes is ugly? Now look at their brushes, it's so soft and double-ended. Wow, they improved. Look at their brushes, guys. Before is like I still have their brushes before. Ooh, let me smell it. No smell. But this is the color, guys. Ooh, all natural. Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Ooh, thank you. Where did you get them?
Hotel.
Oh. Did you use my points?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Huh?
Yeah, so that was fun.
What do you mean?
I used your points, and they're all like, "Oh, do you want us to email you the receipt?" And I'm like, "No."
What do you mean use? No.
Because if they email you the receipt, it would go to your email.
I know what I mean. The points I have.
Yeah.
Did you use them?
Or to buy it? I don't know.
Oh. Did they say, like, do you want to use the points?
I don't think so.
Okay, I thought you. Oh, I have more? How many you got?
Just 2.
Oh, okay. So I got the second one, guys. What? Red velvet? I think no, I have the Boss. Thanks, love.
I just
Kylie,
remembered
you should get like matte. This
I don't
is not
know.
matte. But it's okay.
I just remember you said you liked the Kylie lipstick, and
Yeah.
you said you were thinking about keeping some of your own. So I was like, you know what? How about I get you your own for yourself?
Thank you. I got the red velvet, guys. Did I get it correctly? Oh, the other side. Red velvet, like my shirt right now. Wow. They're all red. Okay, and my shirt too is red, okay. Thank you, love.
It's because she's a cherry, and cherries are red.
I'm a sweet cherry. Thank you, Kylie. Thank you. Now I'm so excited for your gift. It's not that much, you know. Compare, I'm very generous.
No, okay.
Just kidding. Okay, so
We might want to.
okay.
So there's room for
Put
the
it on
box
the
on the
side.
table.
Now my gift for him.
Oh God, it's so heavy. Oh.
Just kidding. Here, love. Thank you, Amazon.
All right.
I didn't even like bother to what you call this. I open it to check if it's the, you know, your gift or the one that I bought for the school, and then like, oh, okay, it's for you. Then
Gee.
yeah, because I have 2 more items that I'm waiting. So careful, love.
I'll try.
Here, the other one.
All right. Always close the knife when you're done. Safety.
I hope he like it.
Ooh. All right. Let's get this open. Let's see
Here,
what
I
happens.
hope they will see it. Like this. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do we got here? We got a blanket. My Moon M&M.
A blanket? That's not a blanket. No, that's not the one.
Oh.
Open, not. I don't know what is that for, but no, that's not the one.
What? This isn't.
No, just put them on the side.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. So this is my gift for you.
Oh,
You can
okay.
see it.
Oh, okay. It's a drone. Ah.
Okay, here. I got him a drone, guys. I don't know if he would like it or not. So
Okay.
he told me before he don't want a drone, so I got him the cheapest one. I'm just kidding.
I told you that I changed my mind.
Okay. Share. No.
All
The
right.
picture. That's the drone.
So here's the drone. Whoop. All right, let's check it out.
See, I always give him a nice toy. No kiss. Mwah.
All right.
Ooh.
Let's take a look.
It's white too.
Here's
I
the
like
drone.
color.
What's that?
I like the color.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So this is the drone here. Your little flipper flapper things that make it fly. Then, here's the battery.
Oh, the batteries.
Oh, looks like the battery's almost fully charged.
Wow.
I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but so let's see. Goes in like this. Awesome.
Awesome. Here, let me hold it. Look.
What is all
I
this
thought
stuff?
it's big, but it's like very cute. That is the remote control to put in your phone. I think you can do it from your phone. You can control in your phone.
I might be able to.
Yeah, I saw it in the video. Woo!
Oh, you probably don't want to hold it.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, that's it for our vlog, guys. So thank you so much for visiting our YouTube. I'm just kidding. Thank you, guys. And Josh is so excited to learn how to fly this drone, guys. So maybe he gonna have clips on his YouTube channel, Man versus Camera. So thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you. Shalom.